Your gift from Grandma and Papa?
Yes.
I wonder what it could be. Uh-oh, wait right here. Wait.
What is that?
Come over here.
What is it?
Look at all this loot that you got for Christmas. My goodness. Look at all this stuff. Come in here. It's not from Santa, it's from Grandma and Papa. Wow! Is that from Grandma and Papa? Put it back, please. Where you found it for a minute. Wow, Nick! Good job! Woohoo! Woohoo! That's for both of you. Aren't you guys lucky?
Yeah, we're lucky.
Wow! Pretty cool, huh? It's for both of you. And so it begins. Merry Christmas!